In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change default PDF viewer on Android. So if you're opening a PDF folder and it automatically opens in, let's say, OneDrive or Google Drive, and you want to change it to always open on using the PDF viewer or using Google Drive only, what you can do is go to settings and go search for apps. Now let's say it opens always in Google Drive, so I'll just search for Drive here. So here what you want to do is like go to open by default. So if you go here, you want to make sure you click clear defaults. As you can see, it's already clicked, so this is not set to open by default. So if you want to clear it, just click clear by default, and the next time you open a PDF folder, just make sure you select the correct folder you want to open it with and click always, and this will change it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.